Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Strap in for this video because we have data entry, we have a PayPal, we have claims processing. I have a little bit of something for everyone. But real quickly, if you're new here, because I haven't done this spill in quite a while, this channel is all about searching the internet. I search multiple job boards for hours upon hours every day, trying to weed out the scams, sort through things, and look for the best work from home jobs that are hiring that day. And I share them on this channel, trying to make it easy for you so you don't have to do all of that searching yourself. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing so you never miss out on daily work from home job leads. But I do just quickly want to ask something from my viewers and subscribers who are always here watching all my videos. Y'all have been absolutely fantastic, and I have noticed over the last 2 to 3 weeks or so, my views have started to go down. And so I do want to know, is it just that time of the year? It's the holiday season, everyone's doing other things, you're not really looking for jobs right now? Or is it that you're getting discouraged from your job hunt? I know the market right now is a little bit crazy. Or is it that I'm not sharing things you're really interested in? Please let me know down below, because of course this channel is geared towards helping you find your best work from home job lead. And if I'm not doing that, I am failing and I am sorry. But let me know anything down below that could help me help you. Also, if you enjoy job leads like this, you can give this video a thumbs up like button, because that will give me that direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But the first up, we are going to have a data entry position. The company is Corpse Team. Now, Corpse Team was founded back in 2005, so they have been around for quite a while, and they're a national staffing organization. They focus exclusively on experienced professionals that are seeking non-traditional careers like work from home. They have 39 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and overall satisfaction rating out of those 39 reviews, is very high at 4.8 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a remote data entry specialist. Now, because they are a staffing agency, they are hiring for other clients. This is going to be in the healthcare field. Their client is a leading healthcare service company seeking a data entry specialist. This is going to be a contract 6-month role. But they're looking for somebody to be responsible for submitting the request to the contracted suppliers for approval and track that contract attachment status in their databases. So you're going to enter in key projects like new member implementation, renewal agreements, distribution and wholesale audits, new contract submission, tier reassignments, and submission of any contract attachments. So maybe these are like PDF of letters and different things like that. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of some kind of like clerical data entry type applicable experience, someone who can work really good with Microsoft Excel, somebody who has strong communication and organizational skills. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree. They don't say it's required. Those of you don't have one, but you have all the skills, I would still put that application in. Pay for this position is anywhere from $24.88 an hour all the way up to $25.71 an hour. Next up, we have the company Elvon. Now, Elvon is a subsidiary of US Bank. I know we've seen work from home jobs from US Bank before. They're a major processor of credit and debit card transactions. So US Bank as a parent company runs the financial banking side, and then they have smaller companies that they own and operate, and Elvon is one of those that does like the credit card or debit card processing for them. Elvon has 745 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a credit review specialist, but they are hiring remote throughout the United States for somebody to conduct credit analysis, including gathering, analyzing, and interpreting all types of credit information for existing and prospective customers for portfolios. So you're going to be working with a lot of data, not only collecting it, verifying it, but analyzing it as well. This data may include credit reports or industry research, tax returns, things like that. Now, you are going to have to input the data gathered into the tracking and reporting computer systems or databases. So this is going to include a lot of data entry. You'll prepare and present the credit reports to the person that is responsible for making lending decisions. So you're going to do all the legwork, collecting this information, looking at it, entering it into the system. And then once you have everything neatly packaged up, you're going to send it on to that loan officer who makes that decision of whether the person applying will get the actual loan from the bank. You're going to also monitor customer accounts or loan portfolios to identify any potential issues, maximizing the credit quality. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree or equivalent work experience for this one and 1 to more years of related work. So if you've ever been like a teller in a bank or worked in a financial institution, but you're looking to switch to work from home, this might be something that's perfect for you. They do want somebody who has basic knowledge of credit or accounting and finance and somebody who has great communication skills. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $28.88 an hour. And they do offer that standard benefit package that we all want that includes medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k, and paid time off. Now, next up, we have PayPal. I did not pull a Glassdoor page. I figured PayPal needed no introduction. Now, they are looking for a merchant solutions specialist for their inside sales department. One thing I want to note about this position is it has 4 states listed as being virtual. That's Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Illinois, and Georgia. It doesn't say if they are only restricting their hiring to these states or if they're hiring outside of these states. Remember, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. But they do list that the pay is for the United States. So you might have to do a little bit of research if you're outside these states to see if they will accept you. PayPal is a national company across the United States, so I'm not sure why they wouldn't, but they're looking for somebody to join their inbound team, just handling all those merchant accounts. So the basis of the job is you're going to receive a high volume of inbound calls and website chats from merchants who have payments that need or require assistance. You'll consistently follow up in flight opportunities, providing products that are live to site, developing these relationships with these merchants or business owners by building rapport and developing trust with them, helping just solve any of the merchants' needs. So these are business owners, small business owners or merchants that use PayPal as their payment solutions, and they're having tech issues or they're having issues with their PayPal. And you are going to be basically that customer service rep that's going to help them. You'll listen to the customer needs and concerns and be empathetic while helping them overcome any objectives that are standing in their way to having their business running. They might be a little emotional. I would too if this was my business and my money and something wasn't working correctly. So you're going to collect and share merchant insights with the marketing products teams and other departments, just making sure that those business owners are taken care of. They do require a bachelor degree for this one, although it doesn't say that it has to be in any specific field. They want somebody who has a passion for helping small businesses, someone who has great communication skills and can be a self-starter. Now, pay for this position is very wide. It's anywhere from $19 an hour all the way up to $43 an hour. That is going to be dependent on things like your location and experience, but they do offer a standard benefit package that's going to include your medical, dental, vision, and other benefits. Moving right along, it wouldn't be me if I didn't throw in a claims processing job. The company Sun Life, they have 3,900 reviews on Glassdoor. They're a leading provider of group insurance benefits, including things like life, disability, dental, vision. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring a claims processing representative for their DentaQuest brand, which is going to be their dental insurance division. Now, I'm sharing this because I did see someone leave in the comments over the last few weeks that they were interested in the dental field, specifically dental field and insurance, I believe I read. So again, as always, I do read the comments and I'm always trying to search for things that are geared towards helping you. So if you have anything specific that you're looking for, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I I will do my best to keep an eye out for anything I see. I can't magically make jobs appear or make companies create positions, but I can keep a lookout specifically for what I know you're looking for. Now this one, they are accepting applicants from anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions, but you're basically going to be processing all types of dental claims from entry-level claims up to intermediate claims. They're looking for somebody who can process these claims with a great accuracy rating. Now they have a specific claims processing software that you'll have to learn and use, but you'll process these claims adhering to the approved claim workflow requirements, serving as a backup to the claim administration team for entry-level adjustments to the claims as necessary to meet their goals. This is mostly going to be a non-phone position, but you will sometimes have to serve as a backup to the call center if they have peak hours where they have high call volumes, so just know that going in. But you'll do any claims related projects as assigned. Now they do want somebody who has an associate's degree or 2 years of experience in a business environment, so no degree is needed if you do have the experience. You've got to have strong math skills, strong communication skills, and great attention to detail. Above that, you've got to just know how to use basic computer systems like Microsoft Office, that's Word, Excel, and Outlook, and be able to follow written instructions. Now, of course, pay for this position is going to be dependent on your location. They have the United States broken down by like southern, central, and northern regions. But the lowest pay is $43,900 a year, with the highest pay going up to $63,500 a year. All right, next up we have the company Partech. Now, Partech has 245 reviews on Glassdoor with a rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are a company that's been in business for over 40 years, making cutting-edge products and services that help bold and passionate restaurant brands build lasting guest relationships. They are looking for an order administration specialist. Now, please note for this job, if you go to this page to put your application in, you'll have to scroll about halfway down the page. They have a lot of logos and information at the top. But they're basically looking for somebody to create customer quotes, book orders, and own those related responsibilities to transact customer orders in compliance with their company requirements. So some of the things you're going to be doing are creating customer quotes for their orders, processing these orders in compliance with expectations. This means you're going to make sure their accounts are set up with the correct address, service contract information. You'll review inventory levels and enter data into their computer system, processing any return requests as needed. You're going to have to do some customer service with this position, answering and responding to calls, voicemails, and emails from the customers regarding any requests for products, quotes, orders, or transaction processing. You're just going to become that subject matter expert in activities that help them scale and optimize how they operate the business. So you'll create and update documentation, system testing, generate reports, things like that. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a college degree and 1 year of order processing experience. If you don't have that college degree, don't worry. They say they'll take 3 years of order processing experience over a degree. You've got to have great communication skills, be analytical and detail oriented. And again, you've got to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, and Excel. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way to $50,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.